Hey folks, this is a roll-up video of the most critical marketing strategy frameworks that every professional should know. It's going to run through the 5 C's, the 4 P's, and Blue Ocean strategy. Enjoy! Hey folks, this video is going to cover how to use the infamous 5 C's of marketing to conduct a situational analysis. The 5 C's refer to company, collaborators, competitors, climate, and most importantly, customers. When evaluating the company, we look inside at our own business and ask questions about the situation we face. What do we sell? What do we do? How are we differentiated? What competitive advantages might we have? In which parts of the value chain do we do better or worse? Where are we currently placing investments and where do we want to place them in the future? And lastly, what are our goals? Looking to collaborators, we want to evaluate what partnerships might look like for us. How are we partnered with suppliers? Do we outsource our logistics? Do we utilize a vendor platform like Amazon? Do we outsource other aspects of our business or production? Do we need business development and alliance management to make sure we're executing on our promises with our collaborators? Then we look at our competitors. Who are they? Are they growing or new? What are their products? How are they differentiating themselves? What are they promoting as their competitive advantages? And what customers are they targeting? When evaluating climate, we want the external factors similar to what you can see with a pestle analysis. That's looking at political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors that may impact our business and marketing. And finally, the customer. We want to ask ourselves, who are they and who do we want them to be in the future? What value are we providing to them? How are they finding and purchasing from us? What drives their purchasing behavior? And what is their feedback and how can we address it? Evaluating the 5 C's in this manner, especially focusing down on who our customers are and how we can best serve them, is a key component for marketing strategy and positioning. Hey folks, this video is going to quickly cover the 4 P's of marketing with a bonus 5th P to help formulate your marketing mix. The 4 foundational P's of the marketing mix are product, price, place, and promotion. I typically also suggest evaluating people as well. Product is literally what service or product offering will we provide and where is it in its life cycle? How novel or differentiated is it from other similar offerings in the industry? Price at its most simple point is how much someone is willing to pay for a product, and this needs to factor in real as well as perceived value. This should also take into consideration seasonality and potential for premium pricing or required discounts. Place is the where of our business. Online or in-store, or within a store, where is it going to be positioned? Companies spend a lot of money on premium shelving locations at grocery stores, and this all ties closely to how we will be delivering our products to our customers. Promotion revolves around advertising. This goes hand in hand with how customers purchase our products. Do we go online, on TV, through a podcast, on social media? And we also want to think about timing here as well. Across all of these, we want to consider people, in other words, our customer, and how each of these decisions will impact them. The driving force behind any business decision should be who our customers are, how many of them are there, and how are we optimizing the value delivered to them. Hey folks, this video is going to quickly cover Blue Ocean strategy in the context of product marketing strategy. In its simplest form, Blue Ocean strategy is pursuing a novel business model, and this is in contrast to Red Ocean strategy, which is competing in existing product groups and customer segments. In Red Oceans, you're looking at existing markets and trying to beat the competition for existing demand. This often revolves around the differentiation value versus cost-cutting strategies you generally see in established industries. But in Blue Oceans, you want to build an uncontested market where there is no competition and room to build your own demand. While this is certainly more difficult and hard to find, it gives you an opportunity as a first mover to break the differentiation versus cost strategy paradigm and pursue both through value innovation. We can take this one layer deeper and evaluate product strategies along these lines to find Blue Oceans by employing the 4 actions ERRC framework, which is eliminate, reduce, raise, or create. What factors in our industry can we eliminate that might create a new market? What factors can be reduced below industry standard to create a new market? What factors can be raised above industry standard to create a new market? What factors can be created that have never been offered in our industry to create a new market? By answering these questions, it will help us formulate our product strategy and discover new Blue Oceans to participate in. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more if you haven't yet. Comment any professional or business questions down below. Work smart, be kind, help others. Here's my cat. Bye.